of 6, that's $10 a person. With our pantry, we should be able to take the food that we got today and mix it with that and have a week's worth of meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I know we can make this happen, but I'll show you my grocery haul when I get it. It's not that much. I have donations buried under here, so I don't think that's that much. Alright, let's get this in the house. Alright, here's my haul. I got Mighty Pop bananas, popsicles, 8 for $1. Just 8 in a count in a box. And about a pound to 2 pounds of apples for about $2.63. And then a package of Oreo bread. Oreo bread was like $3.49. The celery, I ordered the regular celery for 99 cents. Oh, they gave me organic celery instead. So, score. I got 2 personal mini watermelons, and I'm talking, they're the size of my fist. Like I can pick them up just in my hand, so I'm glad I got 2. And then they substituted my carrots. They gave me 2 carrots in place of the 3-pound of carrots I got, and those were 99 cents each. I was supposed to get 2 romaine lettuces. Am I missing one? Well, that's great. I only got 1. That was $1.49. Sour cream, store brand, $1.39. These were on sale for $1.67. These for my baby were 65 cents each, and that was about $2 for the rice cereal. That was $1.67 for a 2-pack of cream cheese. This is $2.50 for these bell peppers. This was about $2.50. I'll put the price on the screen. For the milk, I said, I can't remember. That's about $3.50 for the grapes. $1.50 for the Lunchables. And 99 cents for 4 each can of ranch style beans. We have for a meal, and a little bit for the stockpile, and then 65 cents for tomato sauce. I got 4 cans. About 50 cents for this red onion, I think. And then tomatoes, that was probably about $1 or $2. And the onions are about $1.79 for this 5-pack. That's not too bad. The grapes were $2. And the bananas are about $2, and each of the Lunchables, these were substituted for different Lunchables, were $1.50 each. And the total of this haul, and with I think 3 coupons that I had for the Lunchables, I spent $6.43, so that's under the $60 budget that I originally had, so I'm doing good. That was it for my grocery haul. Stay tuned for the meals that I'll make using this grocery haul for a week for my family of 6. Till next time, happy savings. Bye.